Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a medicinal simple syrup. A lot of simple syrups are medicinal, like for instance rosehip simple syrup would be high in vitamin C. What I'm making tonight, I'm doing a simple syrup out of an herb, and then I'm actually stepping it up a little bit and going to add a tincture to it. So the herb that I'm working with is lemon balm. Lemon balm is great for anxiety and helps with sleep. It helps the mood. It calms you. It's an actual antidepressant, a natural one. So you got to be careful if you're using lemon balm and you're taking alcohol or any other antidepressants or um, medicines that make you groggy. You shouldn't take lemon balm with it because lemon balm kind of does all of that. It's an antidepressant and it relaxes you, calms you. So it's best to just not take it if you're on the stuff. But it's a great one if you're not on the stuff and you just want to use a natural antidepressant or a natural sleep remedy. Lemon balm's a great one. And the tincture I'm going to add to it is reishi. Beautiful reishi mushroom. The fountain of youth. Very good to make you feel young because it boosts your immune system and rebuilds DNA also too. So what I have, because simple syrups aren't really simple. They take a long time. So I've already prepared a few things. So what I've got in my pot, which I have crappy frying pans, but I have a great pot. This one's stainless steel. I used to do the ayahuasca brew, and in this one is what I put the cappy vine in. And I had another one that I did the mimosa in. So these are my pots. I love them. So back to this. What's in this pot, look at that, is I put 2 cups of lemon balm, fresh herb, with 1 whole lemon. Let's bring you over and look at it. I never do good with this. There, it's better to bring me over to you. So there's 2 cups of lemon balm, fresh herb, 1 lemon just sliced with the lemon peel right on it in there, and a piece of ginger. I used, I don't know, let me see, I'll cut a piece and show you how much I used. I used about that much ginger, pretty good chunk. I just cut it in slices, threw it in there, in 4 cups of water. Okay, so that's what I put in there, and I actually put the lemon and the ginger and the 4 cups of water in first and let it cook down to about 3 cups, and then I added my herb, the lemon balm, in, and I put the cover on, and I moved it back to the back of the stove, and I let it steep for about a half hour, just like that, like with the cover on it. So now it's making a strong tea. It's steeping. So, and this is what it looks like now, all steeped. It smells amazing. You can smell the lemon balm and the lemons and the ginger. So now what I'm going to do is strain it. And I have these strainer bags. You can see it back here. It's like a bag that I stick in a bottle. You can do it in a pot, I guess. Pour it in a pot with a strainer. So this is what I'm using. I'm probably going to make a mess. Let's see. Ooh. Put it all in my strainer bag. Ooh, that's very good. take it out now. Kind of just let it fall down in. And I want to have, can I see? Okay. Alright, hold on for a second. I want to have 700 milliliters. 700 milliliters of this tea, and I have it now. Which I believe is 3 cups. I'm just going to wipe out my pot, my sacred pot. Turn my stove on. Because what I want to do now I have my tea, strong tea, 700 milliliters. I'm going to put that in here, in my pot. But before that, what else goes in it is honey. This is 3 cups of honey. 3 beautiful cups of honey. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. So I'm going to put that in the pot right now. And so I can get all of the honey out of here because I don't want to waste any honey because bees, oh my goodness, they work so hard. So I'm going to put some of this hot tea, all of it actually, in here. So it's going to melt all the honey that's in there. See how much is in there. Yeah, 3 cups. So it's 3 cups of honey, 3 cups of your decoction that you made. That's actually a decoction. It's a strong tea. So good. I got all the honey. I didn't waste any. Ooh, look at it. I got it all. So now I have my honey in here, in my pot. I'm going to pour that decoction in. Now I'm going to let this kind of cook off a little bit. I'm going to let it go down a little bit, and as I cook it, the strong decoction, the water in it, is going to evaporate into the air. And then once I feel it as a consistency of, because right now it's nice because it's that beautiful thick honey, 3 cups, and then 3 cups of the decoction. So I want to work with it on a medium heat and let it evaporate some. Because now this would be 6 cups. 3 cups of honey, 3 cups of decoction. So if I let it work with it, I think down to maybe 5 cups. That's what I should get out of it. Even, it's probably going to turn to a nice simple syrup by 5 cups. So we're going to let some of that evaporate off. I don't know what we're going to talk about. Actually, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do next. After I let this, I'm going to turn up a little bit because I want it to get going. Actually, I might even put the top on just for a second to heat it up. That honey that I put in
you could go the extra mile and heat it up so then everything else heats up faster, but it's not really necessary because you've seen how I did it. I put the hot water right into the honey, so it melted it quite nicely. So once I work with this a little bit and let some of that decoction evaporate off in, not really steam, but as it starts to roll a little bit of a boil, then I'm going to add some tincture to it. Look how beautiful that is. Ah, that's a nature's gold too, right there.